Another day, another Poshmark Q&A. I'm actually putting on a hat because my grays are out of control. My hair is like, what is this? What is this? Wave, and then we got flat. Wave and flat and wave. Okay. You guys hear that noise? My teenager's vacuuming his room right now for some reason. First question, my hair's really bugging me. Just gonna have to go with it. This person says, I'm curious, what do you do with your closet when you have the baby? Do you put it on vacation, or just post a sign for extended shipping? Do you get back to business the day you get home, or what? I've been wondering, LOL. This video is probably gonna be up after I give birth, but I plan on, I don't know, just kind of seeing what happens. It really depends on how the labor goes, how recovery goes. I'd like to avoid putting my closet on vacation mode. My husband sells on Poshmark, so he knows like how to ship things and how to work the app and do stuff. So normally if I am like taking a vacation, like what's a vacation when you got a million kids, right? But yeah, normally if I want to take a vacation, I just let people know about extended shipping time. I don't think I've never put my closet on vacation mode. Nope. Next question. What category do you list hoodies? I can never figure out if it's under sweaters or jackets. LOL, am I just an idiot? So I answered her question, but I wanted to address that on here because I see a lot of people on YouTube refer to, like for instance, what I'm wearing right now, refer to this as a sweater. This is not a sweater. This is a sweatshirt. And I don't know, it's just one of those things. Like I'm not shitting on this person that commented this either. I actually looked up the difference between a sweatshirt and a sweater because I was like, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe they can be used interchangeably. Maybe they are the same thing. But the technical definition of a sweater is something that is either knit or crocheted, and a sweatshirt is not. So this is not knit or crocheted. You know, this is just a cotton blend. So this is a sweatshirt. A sweater, I don't have one. Right.
Mommy got it.
She got it? Oh, that was nice of her. Again, a sweater is knit or crocheted. But yeah, I just thought that was funny that she sent that comment when like recently I've been seeing a lot of people refer to sweatshirts as sweaters. I would list this as a sweatshirt because I feel like if you list it as a sweater, people will be confused. Answer her question, I don't list hoodies under sweaters or jackets because a hoodie isn't a jacket. Like this would be listed under tops and then sweatshirts and hoodies. All right, next, you guys, my hair is really bugging me. I need to fix it. Actually, I need to dye it tonight. It's the one thing I need to do before I give birth is cover the grays. Okay, next thing is, I just wanted to address this because I had mentioned this or talked about this in a previous video. Somebody had asked if you were able to have two different Poshmark closets use the same bank account, and I had said that I didn't think that you could because I know for a fact that you can't on Mercari, but I guess on Poshmark you can. I had a couple people comment on that previous video saying like, hey, I have two closets and I use the same bank account, or me and my husband have closets and we use the same bank account. So apparently on Poshmark you can, well, if you have two closets that are just yours specifically, you need to get permission from Poshmark first, but yeah, then you're able to use the same bank account. So just wanted to clear that up. Okay, next question is, what is the best time to share? I have found that honestly the later the better. Usually around the 10 o'clock Eastern time party, or 7 o'clock West Coast time. Yeah, just the later the better, I found, is when I make like the most sales, because I feel like people are I don't know, home bored or they can't sleep, so they're online shopping. All right, next question. How long does it usually take for Poshmark to resolve a case? I had my first one opened up against me almost a week ago. There still has been no resolution. So I think it all depends on the case. I have had like cases resolved within like hours. Some have taken days. So it really all depends on what's going on with your case. Are you going like back and forth with the buyer? Are you like both providing pictures? Are you arguing? Like definitely depends on what's going on. You know, some cases are cut and dry, others, you know, it's kind of a gray area. So yeah, again, hours or days, depending on the case. Next question, what are your best sales days? Thursday, Fridays, or Sundays? Because, well, I think a lot of people get paid on Thursdays and Fridays. And then Sundays, I don't know. Sundays, that just started happening within the past few months. Like, I don't know. Sundays, it's actually, I would say now Sundays are my best sales days. Next question, what is your favorite item to photograph? Honestly, I would say shoes. Although I don't sell a lot of shoes, I would say shoes. Yeah. The last question is, why don't you sell hard goods? I don't know. I was actually talking to my husband about this the other day. We were talking about opening up an eBay store where we would sell hard goods. But one of the main things is like storing hard goods. You know, it's easy, well, easier, I think, to store clothes. I keep them in bins. But like hard goods, you know, you get things of all different shapes and sizes, and yeah, that's one of the reasons. I don't know. I just prefer clothes. I sell clothes and shoes and accessories. You know, not just clothes. I have sold some hard goods. I did sell some like home decor pieces, some pieces from my wedding. Again, I did talk to my husband about that the other day, and that's something that we might look into in the future. You know, selling on eBay. But I'm honestly nervous to get into eBay because it's just Poshmark is just so easy. Just hesitant with eBay for some reason. Even though I know eBay has a way bigger market than Poshmark. Yeah, I don't know. I think I really got to sit down and like think about the pros and cons of eBay and then kind of go from there. I mean, I'm definitely not saying I'm never going to sell hard goods. I mean, like I said, it definitely was something my husband and I talked about the other day. So, you know, who knows what'll happen in the future? Who knows? I know that I am going to fix my hair because it's really bugging me. How did I not notice this when I did my hair this morning? And I've been out and about like running errands. Like, how did I not notice this radical wave right here and this flatness? All right, I'm gonna go. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below, send me a DM on Instagram, or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.